In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a website using free method. So if you want to create a website but you don't know HTML, JavaScript, CSS, so this is a method you can create a website using AI in just 1 minute. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going to here, then this thing I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirect to this website. Then log in here. Just log in with your Gmail. This is enough for you. Okay, once you have done, you can see this is my dashboard. So now you need to select which type of category and which type of website you want to write now. Example of, you want to create an online store, then you want to sell digital or physical product, then you want to sell online course, you want to write a blog, you want to create a portfolio website, a restaurant website, barber shop, etc, etc. Here is a lots of category you can create right now. It's absolutely for free. So I want to create an online store. Just create online store, then select your specific category like kid show store. So I want to create kids show store, then I select it. So personalize your website by selecting the service you wish to offer. So I want to offer free shipping, then a reward program, money back guarantee, free online consultant, extended return policy. So I select those three options. You can select it in others. This doesn't matter. Just select three one. Then I want to select sell online product, get new customers. So I select these two options. Then click on continue. Then if you have a physical shop, then select business address, then business area. So if you don't have, just select online business only. This is a good opportunity for you and myself. We can choose our brand or identity name. So I select Kalam Store BD and BD. This is my branding name. I selected. You can select you like as you wish. So I select 3 unit expected, affordable price, then friendly service. Oh, this is not service, return drive. So I select easy navigation. I select those 3 options. Then I selected website contact from, which type of option a customer follow to contact to your businesses. So I select this one. This is really good and attractive. Then I select color pattern, this one, because of I like on this is. Then again select created my website. So just wait few seconds. This tool created a whole website only and exclusively for me. You can see this is a coding. Wow, successfully my website are created. You can see this is my website. Then this is my unique website addresses domain name. So if you want to use custom domain, just click on here. So I am not interested to add custom domain. Here is the buy option. If you want to buy, just purchase a domain from here. So I am not interested. Now this is point. Here are everything, every option, every photo, every line, every sentence are customizable. Then if you want to create it a logo with AI, this is possible. If you want to remove this option, This option everything are customizable and changeable. This is free. So if you want to add more pages, this is available. You can see all pages, store, design, upload, anything you can change its absolutely for free. So I want to click on view website. You can see this is a domain. So this domain link I will attach in my video description. If you are interested, just go and see my website. How to create a website. Wow, this is really good. I am really attractive and shocked about this website. This website created only less than 3 or 5 minutes. So if you are expert, then you need only 1 minute. It's depend on your device and internet connection. So if you want more video to type up, please comment below. Then if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have subscribed my channel and turn on notification bell. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.